So, here we are going to discuss about ChatGPT because ChatGPT is very trending topic now these days, so listen very carefully. Let's begin the video. 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a clever computer program that can understand and respond to questions and conversations just like a human. It has been trained on a lot of text from the internet and can generate helpful and informative answers based on that knowledge. You can ask it questions about different topics, and it will do its best to provide you with relevant and understandable responses. However, remember that it may not always be perfect and might give incorrect answers or not have the most up-to-date information. It's always a good idea to double-check important information from trusted sources. In simple terms, ChatGPT is like a smart and friendly assistant that you can have a conversation with. And let understand in more easy language. ChatGPT is an advanced computer program that can talk and understand human language. It's designed to have conversations with people, just like you and me. You can ask it questions, seek information, or have a casual chat. It uses a lot of text data that it learned from to generate its responses. Although it tries its best to be helpful, it may sometimes make mistakes or give incorrect answers. So it's always good to double-check information from reliable sources. Overall, ChatGPT is a smart computer program that's great at understanding and generating human-like text in conversations. 2. Top 3 use of ChatGPT. The versatility of ChatGPT allows for various use cases. Here are 3 common applications of ChatGPT. 1. Customer support and chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to power customer support chatbots. By integrating ChatGPT into a chat system, businesses can provide automated customer assistance. It can handle frequently asked questions, provide information about products or services, troubleshoot common issues, and guide users through processes. ChatGPT's conversational abilities make it useful for creating interactive and helpful chatbot experiences. 2. Content generation and editing. ChatGPT can assist in content generation and editing tasks. It can help with brainstorming ideas, suggesting improvements to drafts, providing writing prompts, or even generating entire pieces of content. Whether you're writing articles, stories, or marketing copy, ChatGPT can serve as a creative tool, offering suggestions and aiding in the writing process. 3. Personalized recommendations. Another valuable use of ChatGPT is in providing personalized recommendations. By understanding user preferences through conversation, ChatGPT can offer tailored suggestions for products, movies, books, music, or other items of interest. It can analyze user preferences, make connections between different options, and provide relevant recommendations based on individual tastes and requirements. It's important to note that while ChatGPT is a powerful language model, its responses are generated based on patterns in the data it was trained on. It lacks real-time information beyond its training data cutoff and may not always provide accurate or up-to-date information. Therefore, it's crucial to verify information from reliable sources when needed. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.